Hello, my name is Jonathan Martinovic, and this is my TraceBot, Tracy. Here is me building Tracy. I went with a slim, three-wheel design that had two motors staggered, with gears transferring power to one wheel, and the second wheel a direct drive. The second bot had very few problems in the actual construction, since I used a very simple design and VEX standard sizes. This is the display, which I will show a working demo of later. It shows the values of the line tracker and which stage the TraceBot is on. I used a back Omni wheel, so I only had to control the two front wheels. It saved a lot on gearing and complexity. Here I show the power transfer gears. I used a 1-to-1 ratio. The flat surface of the track didn't need much in the way of torque. I used a similar rail design from the SquareBot. I also used non-functional gears on the direct driven side to keep the two sides as equal as possible. I used the Arduino unit as a structural component of the TraceBot, and would also be used to clamp down on the battery. This simplified the design of the TraceBot even further. I used a small L bracket to attach the three line tracker sensors. I had to keep them as low to the ground as possible to ensure the stray light wouldn't spoof them. Here is the completed TraceBot. I slanted the line trackers so there wouldn't be blind spots between them. Here is the gearing and the clamping design for the battery, and the underside of the TraceBot. The wiring took a while because the TraceBot is so compact. So I forgot to demo the Arduino screen on the TraceBot itself, so I decided to do it while it was disconnected. I created a simulation and it shows how it can detect and tell what the values of each line tracker are. When it goes over the hatch mark, it counts up a stage after half a second. I spent too long over the hatch, so it counts twice. That's what happens when you lock your code in a separate function. Let's try that again. And now with the count function installed. So this project was a bit simpler than the SquareBot, mostly because of my inexperience with VEX parts. How to create a simple line tracker. Much of the code logic will be transferred to the next robot, and hopefully make the recycler bot a bit easier. Thanks for watching.